tia me babia frɛ me afie saa nana me megye so me die e de obofo Michael na ensem bi wo ho a areho asefem e wo se ka ho asem e yensem be ya de bia me ba me ka che o se me nsem o se fridge m e na me yi ba na makai wo ka dwumadi we no eye dwumadi a se wa gibre no anhwa enema bi wo ho a kofodwi so mu rafi but yen ye kai e too much GH police for car ye de fasika anase bank for car ye de fasika ay for no bullion van enne enu ho asem ne ba be kan ne ensem bebre wo a dana fodwi se ye rafi na se de be ba nsem no so no ye de inkrasesem ebedi kan abro ne inkrasesem anything inkrasesem ne se utika mu na obi ye ko kasa ni pa de bekam kasa tietiem hello yes what you say masa inkrasesem so di ma me ka kire utika mu na wo ye ko a mesrew kakra bi na ni pa ne kasa so wo so na ne ka na utimu no wo hwere se ka ni mu odede ana se wo be dede a me pa cho me sha flow later me take passenger car mu. That would be the great normal e woso tie ni nkrasesem na unya ko a na nkrasesem na masa se no yan ko se bi wo e se mani pa hu se e sei ene ma esesa yenam dwumadie we so esesa nipa se ma hunua no hu se ne na bi wo ho ankrofo bi ya me obofo Michael be sei e nkrasesem we any nkrasesem segment me de ebe somo ene bitwa me ho abasisie na ye ba ye de bullion van e ho nsem a e sawande ye de be bro sisie
me de Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ne hwe too much GH mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire
too much GH we boy wate shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching too much GH.
Me mo akọ ba bio aha aye too much GH tieni ye too much GH subscribe na share me say subscribe na share aha all the trending news and someone edika na bitie ene de bro na yan me ni gise empanifo titiru ene hwe sa dwumadi obi a cheda download e de ato ne phone so se me gibra na ma hwe na me hira mu nyina ba comment section wo de wo hia me fa comment ne bra na ye ni nkomo e wo ho na me so person sponsor program no so a comment wo ho me hu number no na ye di nkomo back to eye komo kakra bi na ebedi na ne me wo police for so IGP all correct and you acting IGP wo all correct sir all correct sir me do correct na ma office and someone me ba be king e Ghana police ho asem the lives of Ghana police ehia che bibia the life of Ghana police ehia che bibia me say me che police for asem a na makoma atomiyem if you say they are doing good service to Ghanaian people. I always say this. But ebe ya say mienu ye taxpayers money etwa police ni ka na police ni be ko duty in line of duty ni aboni tu okunu anka onko ye bibi ni nka say bia sei wawie ye bona baso but no ye okromo ha ena akronfo echesi police for day in and day out. Sa bullion van no eye car bank for edu musika pudwo egum. So we ko yiska our Bank of Ghana e dey ko various banks na. Sa car na edu mu ko no. the phone bullion van. Now it's high time I was a setting record straight. So when you make there has been series of incidents. Ya bo police for to ekum womo ebie prepra e wo kromu ha. All in the name say omo ebo sika no ho ban. Die ne ko wie. Ebe wie no na krofo fiscal no mo de ko. Na innocent policeman o protect you ye sika. No who in the line of duty. What do we do to their family? And no dear, you be fridge, you better want some actually. But at the end of what you bet me up the whole by. At the end of what you bet me see no coin. I didn't tell me can say your videos be about kwa share. Near check police phobia in line of duty. A confirm poor mutual. Recently, yay. Your book police need to. Any the workers of bank na omudi sika eko ya pomu to police ni na wu amunu wa ti boni wa ye ni se oso obo nipa e de japade ho ban ana IGP so refia me kayo ebrebia police officer bi in line of duty pull on van ye you came out and the class is high time. And what's here? The helicopters, Efesika, every one place to the other. So asem na kan ye no na obi na tower chima wo kasa asem na say ni ehuru no ntina be kan asem. O kan ye jatu because nobody can question the IGP. Say officer asem na kan ye no. Ehuru sem na akosi saying. They will tell you it's in the pipeline. It's in the pipeline no. Should we wait for millions of police people to die? This is a multi-million question to all of us. IGP, so we fear. I'm just reminding you. And say, the previous IGP, the Kaya, he said it in the office of an IGP office table. It will be about that. You are subjected to fulfill those promises because it entails life and death. The police people's life matter. I'm telling you. IGP se mo refia. Mo na mo say police for the ball. Say in a side timer. I say the helicopters and the first cano e the other because I confirm you know you so mu jai sa de ne ye. Omu you know you so omu jai ko no bo. Omu you know you so mu jai. It's police for me koso wu sa na. This is a multi-million question that we are asking. We need to remind ourselves. Say they also have families. IGP, almost all families. The best now, any DM, cause Sika won't summon the king. Say Sika never fuck car. A delivers coming to other banks. Na Sika de Begira. Na officer be a bit training kwa. And now say. Staff no be chire o mon kwa no e de mo me fa kan to kaso na yenye helicopter liftment helicopters and be first no akọ various centers na awuwu no etuntwa because Ghana police nipa na nkasa e noso kaka na ye wono they are losing their lives in line of duty abro mo bo japade ho ban. This cannot be happening in Ghana. And there should be a stop to that. What is the Inspector General of Police? What is he doing? IGP, me chiao, and tear more ding. Minimum same way down table so. Ugusu young one, but people are still dying. Are you thinking of the family of these policemen who loses their life in line of duty? Are we thinking about them? Somebody saying, "I me can because it's the reality, and people can change things within seconds." But I can't know to. recently ye police ni bituo asa fini ye wa video ye police ni bituo la pass day robbery ye police ni tuo police for babontin ye moa my fight all these criminals they may be on assassin nothing has changed video no Timoto so day robbery, right? This is what is happening to the Ghana police. Me man can obi no obeka. And ma wo fi say you see refia dey da so kai. You made a promise to the Ghana police service. Say if you no kosa car na ye de fasika e de ko various banks no. Mu be jai. Mu jaya, mu the helicopters. And my first come. Dear Naba. I buy dear Naba. And some no be as a Fiji. Me Sadi Apro. Be did your for Michael. If he's another. And I'm a day a year kami. And some she Fiji at the braille. Jamaica and the DOP. Asante and the editor. I too much GH Macau.
Operation. Midiane amansie nsonoma ana amansie bofobi. Amansie sunsum kese. Magiatum. Na unse ho ne ma yete sunsum sam. Akire sunsum ase. Se obi pese wotena o man Ghana ni wiase. No hu se bibi free soro ba dia. Too much Ghana. Aji won sem. Hwe no abrabo be siwie. Abrabo be tane na obehu se mihia ne ntam ana misua bi ntam a ka me pono na na mu ato na me safo ayira no ka me hu ne ntam ye kire wade ye ma hu sunsum mu nsam ye ma te de ba hwe na kanea bi aso ebe ji o nsam